Hello guys. I found 5 websites that you can start using to make easy money from home every single day. And the best part is that all of these websites require no experience and are completely free to start. And they will make you easy money as much as you want depending on how far you take them. 2Capture is a website that lets you earn money from the comfort of your home by solving captchas if you don't know what captchas are. There are those little pictures that you have to solve before logging into a website or submitting a form online, and these things are everywhere and they basically help to limit spam on websites. And the reason a website like 2Capture will pay you to solve these captchas is because they need real people like you to solve them to make sure that they're actually effective. And to get started, all you need is a cell phone or a computer, and then head over to 2Capture. Come click up here on Work for Us. And then click on Start Earning Now. While 2Caption certainly won't make you the most money compared to some of the other websites. On this list, it's still an incredibly easy way to make some extra cash on the side, and it can be started completely free with zero skills, and so it's definitely not life-changing money. But it is easy money. Now what if I told you that you could earn truly passive income by just installing an app on your phone or your computer? Well, that's exactly what the Nielsen computer and mobile panel does. When you sign up and install the app on your computer, smartphones and tablets, you'll earn money and be entered into monthly $10,000 sweepstakes. Here's how it works. When you install the app, it sends Nielsen anonymous data about how you use your devices. And then it pays you for that information. And the app does not collect information about the websites that you visit. Nor does it collect any user IDs, passwords, or other private information, and on average you can expect to earn about $60 per year just for having this app installed on your devices. And you don't have to do anything at all to earn this money. This is truly passive income. Just install the app, let it work in the background, and collect your easy free money. Savvy Connect is an easy to use app that quietly includes you in behavioral market research while you browse the internet, very similar to Nielsen. But what's better about Savvy Connect is that the more devices you have the app installed on, the more money you'll make. You see, the app will pay you $5 per month. For every device up to 3 devices, this means that you can earn $15 per month. Or about $180 per year for literally doing nothing. Listen, all the other apps that you have installed on your phone already. And all the websites that you visit are already taking data from you anyways, and so you might as well get paid for it. There are a lot of different survey websites out there. Some of them are decent and others are just a complete waste of time. However, neither of these are the case for a survey website called Prolific. Prolific is a research company that pays purchase participants to take surveys based on research studies being conducted by major universities, and unlike other survey websites such as Swipebooks and Survey Junkie, Prolific doesn't try to gamify their surveys to make them more fun. But who needs to have fun while taking surveys? I mean, after all, you're here to make money. And this is where Prolific really shines. On average, just for taking surveys from the comfort of your home, you can earn what's equivalent to between $6 and $12 per hour. This is much higher than the average one. $3 per hour that you'll earn on other survey websites, and there is nothing more prolific than earning some extra money. Validately is a website that lets you get paid to test websites and apps. What's unique about Validately is that unlike other similar website sites like Userlytics and UserZoom, Validately will send you tests that you qualify for directly to your email. And this means that you don't have to waste any of your time trying to qualify for paid tests by taking dozens of different screener tests. With Validately, they'll only send you tests that you qualify for, and getting started is incredibly easy. Simply head over to panel of Validately. Most people will receive their first test within 24 hours of creating their account. And on average, you can expect to earn anywhere from $20 to $40 per month using Validately, and as some users have even claimed to make close to $100 per month. Link of every website is in the description. Follow directly and start earning. I appreciate you so much for being here. Don't ever forget, you can accomplish anything that you want in this life. I am watching you. I believe in you.